Welcome to our lesson on preposition of place. These are little words that tell us where things are. Words like on, in, and under help us describe the position of objects. Let's explore them together with some fun examples and pictures. Let's start with some common preposition of place. On. Something is on the surface of something else. The book is on the table. The keys are on the shelf. The cup is on the desk. In. Something is inside a space or an area. The toys are in the box. The apples are in the basket. The milk is in the fridge. Under. Something is lower than and covered by something else. The cat is under the table. The shoes are under the bed. The bag is under the chair. Great, those are simple, right? Let's try a few more. Next to. Something is beside or close to something else. The ball is next to the bench. The girl is sitting next to her friend. The car is parked next to the tree. Behind. Something is at the back of something else. The dog is behind the tree. The backpack is behind the door. The car is behind the building. In front of. Something is ahead of or before something else. The bag is in front of the chair. The bus is in front of the school. The girl is standing in front of the mirror. Above. Something is higher than something else but not directly touching it. The clock is above the fridge. The painting is above the sofa. The lamp is hanging above the table. Below. Something is lower than something else but not directly under it. The shelves are below the clock. The drawer is below the sink. The painting is below the mirror. Are you following along? Let's look at a couple of tricky ones. Between. Something is in the middle of two things. The cushions are between two chairs. The park is between the library and the school. The pencil is between the notebook and the eraser. Opposite. Something is facing or across from something else. The sofa is opposite the TV. The restaurant is opposite the bank. The girl is sitting opposite her brother at the table. Now let's test what you have learned with a quick quiz. Where is the cat? On, under, next to. Where is the ball? Next to, in front of, between. How did you do? I bet you nailed it. Comment your answers. Today we learned 10 common prepositions of place: on, in, under, next to, behind, in front of, above, below, between, and opposite. Remember, practice makes perfect. Look around your room and try to describe where the things are using these words. Thanks for watching and see you next time for more fun English lessons. Bye.